Here's a print that stopped. In next. It's hanging in a hanging form. Now it's like it is. Hanging, it wants to close this whole file. Guys, wait a minute, it shows up this error. I tried to print some sheets, the mouse keeps spinning. This machine is. It gets the shared printer from another host computer. It's not a machine that's installed directly printer into this machine. That this machine is installed through another computer. Usually that computer is turned on. I can't print this, people. It's an error like this. This machine is a shared receiver. Errors like this. Then it would include that the server is shut down. Or lose your life. If both machines have a network failure, they will not print. If I come here and see, the printer is still there. If it is still installed, there is a case. If anyone erases this printer, it will be the same. Here you can see. It's this printer on admin. It's installed on a machine called admin. The name of the computer. I installed this printer as admin. Let me come in here. This is the name of this printer. So the printer is still on this computer. But if it doesn't print, it will. Some causes. One is the machine that installs this printer. It's losing its life. Or it's being shut down, it's not open. Two is that the server changed the password. Change the login password to that screen. BA is dead. 4 is that server changed to another printer or reinstalled Nguyen. To know exactly, I will go and check the server that installed this printer. I will know now that I will try that admin server. See if you can come in. If you can still get in. That machine here like this is still able to enter this, but password must have a password. Here's a user above. That computer is the admin 1 to 3 user. Everyone remembers. This computer is called admin. It shows up like this. The server changed the password. I have now re-entered the old password. See if it's true. If it says this, it's the password. Username. Password. Incorrect username and password. The password is incorrect. If I go to that server now, I will check this machine. Is the name of the computer admin? It's got 3 different ways of checking, or ways of checking. We just need to click on the device name. Admin is the name. It shows that the machine is faulty. Then everyone knows exactly what this is. And this device name can be multiple name servers. But when I want to share that printer, I have to change my name. How to make a room? There will be no machine with the same name. For example, I will change to PC1, PC2, PC3, PC4. Different so that when I share the printer or sharing your data will not be wrong. But here I see a machine called admin only. There are not many machines. To check the username. If it's true, everyone just needs to click on the picture. This flag, this win symbol. Click the mouse. If you go to this flag, everyone will see it. The last one there, admin 1 to 3 is the user. So it matches. Here it is. It matches the information on the Khoa. The name is admin and the user is admin 1 to 3. So this is the server. If so, this is the server. Then now, if there's a computer owner here, you should ask, it's this machine. Is there a reinstall of Windows or yes? To change the printer, is there a password change? For example, resetting the printer. Password has been changed. If the owner of the machine says something has changed, for example, reinstall Win, then you need to reset the printer sharing feature. On this computer, I'm not going to show that in this video. What if the owner of the computer says it's changed? Change the password again. Then you can use a password to enter the settings. The next step on your computer. If the owner of this computer, if it's not there, you can do it yourself. Follow the following instructions. You will click on Control Panel User Account and Account Manager. Click on the Admin Jita account name and in the Change the Password section. If it shows up, change the password. That means this machine has a password. And this I can't know. I have to ask the owner of the computer. What is mandatory? I'll go back to my machine to set it up. But what if it shows text? What it means to create a password. This machine does not have a password. Then you can follow the next step on this machine. To establish a password for the machine. If it's a letter, change the password. Then, this machine must have changed the password. So I have to ask the owner of this computer. Let me get the password. I will join you. Kia computer. When you get the password, go to the credential manager. If you type in CRA, it will output this. Such as a Kia computer owner said that must be Nguyen faculty. Computer. So, you go back to your computer. As on the screen. And click on Window. Here you click the arrow window. Down here Modify Today. Then you click Edit. You click on Edit. In the password section. Then you will enter the password that the owner of the Kia computer. I'll give you an example. The owner of the car said, password is Khoa Nguyen Cutter. I will now enter my computer here. And then click Save. You enter Khoa Nguyen Cutter. Then press Save. Now close all the windows. And choose the service. Go to the Print Spooler service. Right-click and select Restart to restart. Printer service. If I do this, I won't have to restart. Computer. Now close all the windows. And start reprinting. Mill it. It says it's a check. It doesn't say it's a mistake. No more apologies. There will be a feeling. Open the file very quickly. It's not the kind of nerd that's looking for a printer. In other words, you can access the server. If it comes out like this without asking for the password. As if I had fixed this error.